Hello dear students. In this video I am going to discuss about bus. Digital signals move from one section to another along paths are called buses. So in general it is a bunch of wires or conductors that carries information or data from one place to another place. For example, from microprocessor to memory or memory to microprocessor. Opcode, operands, and address bytes are transferred through bus. A bus is a transmitting media consisting of group of lines or group of conductors. The number of lines are usually 8, 16, 32, etc. They connect each and every unit within the microprocessor. That means the bus may be 8-bit bus, 16-bit, 32-bit, etc. Each line in the bus carries a binary signal that is 0 or 1. For example, if you consider 8-bit bus, so total 8 conductors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And each conductor carries binary bit either 0 or 1. Okay. For example, bus with a wire 8 wire 8 wire, we might have the word 1010110. So example, total 8 bit being carried, each bit being carried by a separate wire in the bus. That is, so 8-bit bus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So data is 1010 means each wire carries one bit. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Some buses are bidirectional and some buses are unidirectional, meaning the bidirectional buses transfers data in both the directions. Here in this diagram, this is bidirectional bus. Means it carries data from external device to this microprocessor or from microprocessor to external world. Okay, and in unidirectional, it carries data in only one direction. So this is unidirectional. Means it carries data from this unit to microprocessor. Okay. Buses which carry address and data are called address bus and data bus respectively. Means buses which carry address called address bus and bus which carry data are called data bus. Some buses are used in multiplexed mode. For example, in one occasion, they are used as a address bus, and in another occasion, they are used as data bus. See here in this figure, this is multiplexed bus. So it can be used as address bus as well as data bus. Okay. There are three forms of bus. First one is data bus. The data associated with the processing function of the CPU, central processing unit, is carried by the data bus. And it is used to transport a data to or from the CPU and the memory or the I/O interfaces. Second one, address bus. The address bus carries signals which indicate where data is to be found, and so the selection of certain memory locations or I/O ports. Means this address bus carries address of the memory location. Okay. For example, microprocessor wants to access data from a particular memory location. First, it sends address of that particular memory location through this address bus. Next, control bus. The signals relating to the control actions are carried by the control bus. For example, it is necessary for the microprocessor to inform memory devices whether they are to read data from an I/O device or write data to an I/O device. The term read, the term read is used for receiving a signal, and the term write is used for sending a signal. The control bus is also used to carry the system clock signals. It is also used to carry the system clock signals. Okay. Thank you.